Another cool thing about Photoshop is the possibility of making automatized actions that can be repeat themselves over and over again. For example, imagine I need to make license for SDQ Training Center, in which I will make a layer for the teacher's picture, a layer for the name, and a layer for the course the teacher will be teaching. This is how it works. Try to imagine I have to do 100 licenses, and imagine that after creating 100 different documents on Photoshop, I need to change the design. Will I need to change it 100 times? I suggest making a single design editable document. So, in order to do this, we go to Image, Variables, Define Variables. Here, I find all the layers I created on the license design. Let's choose Class Layer, Class, and make it as text replacement. We will name it V-Class. We pick the name layer, we mark it as text replacement and name it V-Nombre, V-Name. The photo layer will be a pixel replacement. We will name it V-Photo. Here I can set the method of replacement. We will set it to fit in the space. The first step is made. We define 3 variables. As you can see, the 3 layers now have an asterisk on them, okay? Now, it is time to fill the variable data. So here, we go to Datasets. So, I click here to make my first dataset. Dataset 1. So here, on V-Class, I'm going to write Dreamweaver. On the V-Photo variable, I will upload this picture, and on the V-Name variable, I write Jorge Espinal. I have the preview marked so that we can see what we're doing. Let's make another dataset. Dataset 2. Name variable Joel Combes. Class variable Photoshop. Photo variable my picture. And so on and so forth. Let's make some more datasets. Dataset 3. Name variable Rodrigo Daniel. Photo variable. Class variable Premiere. Next, dataset 4. Name variable Catherine de la Rosa. Photo, okay, this one. Class variable and design. And finally, dataset 5. Name variable Freddy Vargas. This picture. Class variable audio and OK. Okay, now I have my variables made, and I have 5 data sets. One for Freddy, one for Catherine, one for Rodrigo, one for Joel, and one for Jorge. What will we do with this? It's easy. We go to Image, Apply, Dataset. In here, I see all the datasets I have, and I simply select the one I want to see and click on Apply. I can print it, save it, or whatever you want to. Another interesting thing I can do with this is converting each dataset into an independent document. How do we do it? Simple. We go to File, Export, Datasets as Files. In this case, I come here, click on Choose and press OK. So Photoshop analyze and process the image. So here, as you can see, I have separated files for each license. This method spares a lot of time, enabling us to use more time for designing and not wasting much time editing data on multiple documents. This was possible thanks to variables used in Photoshop. I hope this exercise can be very useful for you at a given time of your life. See you on next video.